Well, Times Now gets you more shocking facts. The statement of underworld don Dawood Ibrahim's brother Iqbal Kaskar in 2003 named fixer Sunil Dubai. He also claimed that two top former Indian cricketers were in contact with Dawood's man Sharad Shetty. Why then was the Mumbai police sitting on this explosive evidence for nearly a decade?
The D Company link is proven. The underworld is being investigated. As Times Now opens the cricket fixing can of worms, we are forced to ask, was the warning of 2003 ignored? Revealed on Times Now, the deposition of Dawood's brother Iqbal Kaskar, which has the first clear and open reference to fixer Sunil Dubai.
Dawood Ibrahim's younger brother Iqbal Kaskar was in Dubai for several years, and in 2003 he was deported to India. And then Iqbal Kaskar had given this statement when he was in crime branch custody, wherein he stated how the D Company nexus works in terms of betting syndicate and betting racket.
While the hunt for Sunil Dubai is underway, Dawood's brother's statement also names two top former Indian players. Repeatedly, Iqbal Kaskar in his statement names the two cricketers, claiming that they were in contact with Dawood man Sharad Shetty. Another statement by a D Company gangster also names these players. So what action did the Mumbai police take against them? Were their alleged links to the underworld investigated? And if Dawood's brother spilled the beans on fixing in 2003, why didn't the Mumbai police act for 10 long years? With Megha Prasad and Mayank Bhagwat, Anand Narasimhan, Times Now.